That wire is bent up on one side, so that will mimic what's happening in the mouth. Now this is a lower wire, so I'm going to flatten that out and then put my adjustments into the wire that we just talked about for Karina's adjustment. You can notice that the anterior portion of the upper wire is raised up off the table, and we want that to be flat. The lower wire on the right side is canted up. And so when we take the wires out of the mouth, we want to check them, that they lay flat. And we're going to check the torques in a minute and check the Damon symmetry guide to make sure that, that we're symmetric on both sides. And then we're going to compare the wires to each other to make sure that, that they are coordinated. I'll start with this lower wire, and I'm going to flatten the wire first and make sure that we are back laying flat on the table. And that's really all it took, is just a little small adjustment with my fingers. Now that it is, we had mentioned that we wanted to step up the lower threes, so I'm just going to make a little first order bend and step that cuspid up. These are just your standard tweed pliers. After I'm done, I'll lay it back on the table to make sure it's flat, and that looks nice. I'll check the other side here. And we'll lay it flat. Now, if you look, you can notice that the symmetry is out of the wire now that I've adjusted it. And we're going to put it on the symmetry guide and see where that is out of shape. You can see on the left side we're wider than the symmetry of the Damon arch, so we're going to make these symmetric. And then we'll coordinate the arches from there. Okay. Now I'll move that wire out of the way and check my top. Now we talked about how the top was upper wire, the anterior portion was raised up, so we're just going to flatten that back out. That's much better. We're going to be stepping down the upper left 3 and 4. I already had a small step for the 3, so I'm going to take that out first and then step the 3 and the 4 down. And then the upper 2s, we wanted to check the torque. So I'll hold my plier on and see that we're flat. So the torque looks good in the anterior. I want to check what the 2s are doing. We're going to add lingual crown torque to those. And we'll use 2 tweed pliers to do that. We're just going to add about 5 to 8 degrees of torque. We'll come back in and check that. There was already some torque in the wire, and now we have about 8 degrees more on that right 2. Check this one. We have about the same amount of torque in that side. I like to go back and check my 1s. Now I've introduced a little bit of buckle crown torque, and I don't want that to translate in to the mouth. So now I'm going to take that out slightly. We've taken that back out of the wire. We've preserved the lingual crown torque that we've put in. I'll also go back in and check the 3 and the 4. Now we have a little bit of torque there, and I don't want that much torque, so I'm going to take that back out of the wire. So now we need to go back and make sure that our wire lays flat. And that looks nice when we take in the fact that we've stepped down the upper left 3 and 4. The only other thing that we're going to do is step out the upper right 4. And now we can go back to our symmetry guide. And make sure that we're symmetric on both sides. Okay, we can see that we're just a little flared on the one side, so we're going to check that. Now, Karina's wire's widened, and we just want to make sure that we're symmetric on both sides. Now we're going to make the lower match the upper. Can you grab me that 3-prong plier? Thanks. I like to use a 3-prong plier for TMA wires and coordinating our arch wires. And I like that. Okay.